So body kit's there. Got nothing in the hotel. Told him to sleep it off. He slept for 2 days. Got the body kit to the garage. Everything out. All lads excited. Everything booming. Day 2 Morocco. Early morning start. Today I'm going to be tinting out the headlights with some vinyl tint, we call it. Weather's nice, warm. We're on the top floor, so it's extra warm. Ah, young lad here cut his hand yesterday. Can you show? Show your hand.
What's your name, bro?
Badr.
Badr?
Yes.
What happened?
Badr with the quiff. He's called Badr with the quiff.
Badr, what happened to your hand?
It's broken.
Huh?
He cut it with a blade. Basically, we're doing some leather work and he slipped. I warned him, I said, don't do it. Let me do it. He said, no, I want to learn, which is keen. He's a very keen, hard-working lad. And he's going to get to big places, this guy, in the future.
Thank you.
Going to the workshop, had loads of guys around. I mean, a lot of them were apprentices. There were one or two, a couple of skilled guys. Got in there myself, helped the lads strip all the car down. Sorry, update.
Update for me is we're smashing it. Day 2. The car is looking brilliant. It's coming together now. I like it when things start to come together because it's like doing a jigsaw puzzle and it's like.
It's like you have a vision, don't you? It's like when you do a video shoot, yeah. You start at the beginning, but you know at the end of the edit you're gonna have an awesome video.
While I'm seeing you put the car together, I'm thinking of how the video's gonna look coming together as well.
There you go. That's why me and you are the
dream team, brother.
Stretch. We need to stretch. Okay, hold. Don't put it on there. Do not put it on yet. So this was a very big project. I think the garage owners underestimated how big the job would be. But I was determined to, help these guys out, make sure that the project was complete in a timescale. So we worked day and night on the car. It was really, really tiring. The temperature was like 30, 35 degrees, really hot. Lads were on a bit of a downer. I had to lift them back up mentally, motivate them. So to build that team morale up, working late hours into the night, determined to get this project finished. I'm getting a bit tired now, Harris.
I can see, bro.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
How?
In your face?
Oh no, I'm tired. But no rest for the wicked. You guys are killing me, man. I only came here for a holiday. We got one spanner, bro. Oh, you understand, bro? We're working. Oh, brother.
Bro, man, I got this thing, bro.
Look at Harris. Come on, who needs the spanner when you got Harris?
I'm saying,
I don't think you're the spanner.
I'm the spanner.
get the car painted by a certain time. If I didn't get the car painted, it wasn't going to happen. Project finished, complete. I might as well pack my bags and go home and say to the guy, listen, sorry mate, it ain't happening. But that's not me. I never give up. Got the guys to prep the body kit with me. I thought, you know what, I'm going to paint this car. The only way this car is going to get complete and the project's going to get complete on time is if I physically paint the car. So that's exactly what I did. You know, just got my overalls on, mixed the paint up, I said just move out of the way, let me do it, let me get out of the way, because otherwise it would have never have got done. So we just finished painting the car. We've had 2 runs on it. Yesterday we painted the bumpers and the arches, and today we just finished off all the spoilers. So I'm happy with the results so far. Car's all stripped down, and as you can see now, we're sealing it all, getting all the detail work done, and tomorrow we're building it all up. So just stay tuned. You can follow us on YouTube. Make sure you like, subscribe and share.